the voice is a familiar one, me boy. Voice of Francis J. Elder Francis J. A brand new one, 2018 and beyond. God of wonders. Eba praises there. No challenger. No challenger in Canada. Elder Francis J. Oye Bruta. Haba. Adom 106.3 FM. DWASO NSEM. I'm to say I didn't APOSO brand. Brought to you by Trelidor Burglar Proofing. Africa's strongest burglar proofing. There was Second Kings Real Estate. The home for kings. Advanced Ghana savings and loans. Growing together. Feco Spray Start. Look sharp. Latest foam. Say your partner for life. American premium furniture. Where quality sells. Scientific Clinic. Allow Shafi, God is our healer. Lily Sunflower Oil. Tasty food, happy family. Vodafone, the future is exciting, ready? Tabia Herbal Mixture, your true and authentic herbal medicine.
I will praise you forever. I'll praise you, my Lord. I will praise you forever.
Our inspirational song is brought to you by Sunlight. This one from Francis J. Brand new one.
I'll praise you, I'll praise you, I'll praise you. I will praise you forever. Ilona, 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 Ilona.
And there was some many equiabu at Watunium.
That's why I will praise you. I'll praise you, I'll praise you, I will praise you. Let me take it again. You died for my sins, that is why I will praise you. I'll praise you.
You died for my sins, and that's why we'll praise you.
I love you.
Lighten up our morning.
I love you. I love you. My Lord Jesus, I love you.
It's proudly brought to you by Sunlight. Best after best of freshness. And we do this every morning to brighten up your day. Just go to work in that happy mood. Am I wrong? Minim dia ufe, minim dia to there. But minim say nyame no tiase. And the emfa hone dia ufe. Go to him in prayer. Or say with thanksgiving. Put all your supplications before God. Na nyamea or yema ibi no mo obeyama wonso. And be happy, enjoy, live life. Live life.
Everybody come and let's bless the name.
We serve a wonderful God.
He's the God of wonders.
Good morning to you, my brother Kwamina Segu Ekremens
Merciful God.
of Ernst and Young. Kwamina, good morning to you. Bibi Arikoya. Ekria Buachua yi Adom abetena se. The Brena friend ABY. Ekria ekoye de.
Ekoye pa obi na papa enyum na ase ye ntubi.
So betimi afọ de a.
Unim Freddie Mercury. Musician bi UK na Norway. Freddie Mercury.
Okay.
Nenyum bi Bohemian Rhapsody. Na nyum no wahu. Se obi ka so to a obechichemu aye no nyum miensa. Otumi ka bom no aye no one. Sa nyum na apeti Bohemian Rhapsody. Ebi ni Francis J de no. Won we bi mutimi fa asem ba ko no atwa no ho an no de ato nyum no. Ba ne nyum we se o ka se wo sua a gisa wo gibre. If so be chichemu to ono we different. Nti e ka se eto de a na
Elder Francis J.
Yeah, papa. Me I love you. Hona na eme de na chese chorus na wo to bia na oko. Obi bibia boko de. Hey, allergy PMC. Allergy.
Enro kan sem
we wiye se du nketia. Na nso nyame ne hene. Was ya ahemfo ba ma ne pamom.
Ose no mo lose wa table seat, lose seat.
Esa.
Ose say you dictator.
Sa. Wo se na loteka. Na loteka na alote na nka sa o kana sama sa na ni abranka. No agori bem kakran. Ba we de odi ani bre so. Eno atumi sa na ni abre. Oku nza ndi si amanyokonum the longest mpanimfo omo wo hono mo we na chese ye ba omo treasure we na so ne na ye adwuma che if say du nkati aso ache nti wonim no na emom ne ye wo kan de Said die moment you over can same way padia oh breaky ni bones.
Oyema
Obi
boko de
na me adomeda adama so bom pai mami de say so say de mani je awie peyo na ma me pomuden akwanim.
Oh okay.
Say wonna wo sori ahemati na abed na gu nso na.
Ama wani age.
Mani age keke. Enkrofo ahwe ase.
Fofo ahwe ase o.
Ma ahwe ase so o mo nalo. Say nyina akwa no pepepe.
Nyina ya pepepe. So
Wende.
Obi tama inu so da so koso.
Because when Daily Graphic report is in Pankono and ewu in 10 days. And no assembly member then so say nipa dunum, right? That's 15. And ewu. It is here you which is wait. But of course, we would want to go with official figures because Ghana Health Service in penny for echo and the Ebomon is the Benya Director General. Now so official figures omonsa kano omamehu. And so Motimia established the cause of death and so on. Na omama ye to me
na meeting assemblyman no ne kasa no who say oka 9 na ewu no e no san si su dua say anopa no ono ankasa akohwe bia omafa emu no afiri ho no mo na say na mpanimfo no kasa asanchiche mu kakra wom obi akita information obi edi ne hin obi edi ne post ho no mo enti no sane wo kan official information no na ye de be ye
Adom Yensaka Director General Ghana Health Service Dr. Anthony Nsia Asare. Doc yemwakwa aba Adom FM so ne bibia boko de ye da nyame ase yenim se enra asem no esi ye de to dwa other media houses so bo ho de ro no mutu anamon ekotema New Town den na obetimi akachre ye wo de mukoko hu ye nipa ewu and all of that.
Assemblyman to me kako other sub metro and other metro have directed on Okobo Mama here. The woman in Anasenra, your surveillance team, I war a memoir. It will be what district level, it will be what regional level, it will be so national level, a more district level. Now, the BS is the surveillance system, your surveillance in Anasen, BBSC Ghana even Amanoni and your sub-region had the affair. Now, the Australia, the Kamika, the cut near yet a few. The North African tea, the Panoa, near Ma, district for the corona, regional for the Coco Brown, the national levels of court. To Omoko Tema. Now, I don't know, as I see every 29th October. About 7th of November. Now, areas in I was Tema, Bako, say,
Jim FM.
Now, you're going to your boy, Echo Niva Base Clinic, and your core Tema, General Hospital. Okay, I want to name impact. I want to name and see into your profession claim. And you say, the beer hospital, your ma, your buy it, your ma will buy it. What me a the group was on the 2 hours. Now, the who say, me part of 1 hour, the pumps do see also. Women in every different areas, and if you back home, and over 2 different communities. If you say mono, so we have a year, a cut across a different. If you anywhere a year infection, Zanaka, if you say, and no, let him hear a pass a year, did you between a sign of war, na the ma conform who's been it. You see, it be a hypertension, who have a heart problem, who also a chronic alcoholism, this will be into if you saw a year of a buyer back to try the MC. Omo unya topic pregnancy or my postmortem was a topic pregnancy and it is so some chronic problem inti nina so far no we go how much see no we go also we see no na you say a natural cause, and I say natural cause, and I say infection. But you go who you know, for core country immunity. In any epidemic infectious disease, and I said, yeah, every mark also be a young session.
And from Nipa, in the official figures, Nipa actually won kwa saying.
Nipa almost 29th to 7th November. No, our media premier, I preliminary report. ANC
16. That's 16. Okay.
From 2 different communities.
And for Sanipa 16 no within the period, not just from 20 now see 27 October 29th October to 7th okay into 1 week 10 days Nipa 16 no great and omunyina no obia cause of death no eyesronko
also no heart problem doctor alcohol to go through and I'm can say baby also no the ectopic pregnancy and I'm so well contact and and it be so a chronic lymphangitis and in my name and intina cause of death can papa no be a baby over in see when also you in a postmortem I say yes I know how far no diana a small awesome no and man also could see an intentum near by you you will be I would say you kind of health service and say also you Timmy whom you are the intentum now I said you beating a TT near barn or by and spread that is how we do epidemic management
okay into when and yet natural cause and yet epidemic and yet any disease outbreak we antiano na man former one come and to good
more than 1 million. This is what happened. Not the amenity and I'm feeling feedback and it be any past and I say, yeah, be area crab in any panachiro and maybe I will go brandy about our reality eating
and the other thing by say from baby our Nipa 16 in 10 days no omunyina mu wo ne purely coincidental any relationship bia
from a professional point of view any relationship bia
now is it normal say for an area like Tema minim records amuwo of death rates ewo sa vicinities no but in 10 days that's a Nipa 16 ewe with 2 separate areas are enye na kakra
benyanka nipa engusa but don't say it be a friend health promotion a healthy lifestyle o say ya we na me body ni na lifestyle o say sanom obo ha o asichiri yade obo ha o hypertension kura wunnim so enti ade a me be kan kire obi a na say ka obi a benya o ho a wiase o yare o no se nkwala se abofra onye o yare nkwa ne din ko soto ko yewi o se abofra yewi enye se bia o yare tie ko ye no wi abofra no ne ma me nim se edibus na o twin sia wi also ko no ko yewi na ye ma ne panie de bia de me kan se o se penimfo so yewi penimfo wi no bia o birthday na o twina o di o birthday na nka wafa na ko hospital ko na yakohwe omuji amu yahwe odun so yahwe obibia na ya ma o clean sheet se o hunye na okọ enti eno na meka se o se yehwe yehunye ye ni nyina ye ka ho doctor fo nurse fo ni obi aka ho mo amo nsem twero fo ni nsem ka fo nyina mo ka ho bi adwuma ye no ye trafo akọ yenye exercise kesibia tibia na yeto obetumi atena ho kase obetumi atena ho kasafa tena kunyumwa bia be no hiri ben na se do hiri nsia na atifa ko bia bedu fie kra na ade asa ansa na akudidi bo hona sebe ofuru ye kakaka kakaka na obi afisi ho ye fe enye fa abetie enti nka ebinya sa na ose na yetimi hwe ho ya ebema sa wo se wo ho na bia wokura woni beduru ho ayesu no sa sikire yade ana se mujabroso no nimo uduru ho wonya stroke na wo tisane ma wi ena wasi timi ye na yehwe ye apomudin ho ye yehwe ni ya sa ne ma nyina bekofo ti de meka no
report say we nyina na ewo spiritual undertones binti amanfo nkodware wonsuom na won sign won ho enfri duabo bi ne ade ho no ye mo ne mogo on
menyini sesa na tie anze wiase bibi pasa ni pedunsin ewu me tie first kwa makasi fie ba ko ni pedunsin ewu a eno ke kohokura ye de tape nyina fa mo bia ma ne ahwehwe ne ma ni pa no wuye ti ukudware apumu a no bi su kudware apumu na se bia yare na saya onko dware nsu mu a se yare na mo de sa mo nkofo ko enti mo ni nyina mu na ye wo apomutia so ye ne apomutia adwuma mfo de de bia ba ye de abefo ne ma scientific yi na ye de hwe ni me say spiritual ayo o me Kristo ni pa but de bia de me kan say ade say esi a ne bia osofo bi kan de me ka che osofo ne say omom paye mai ni nya nimdie no ni mfa hwehwem ni hu ade kora e ma ne ye nyame na ye doctor penin ba ko a ba fe onu dikai ena oboaye ni nyina ye adwuma no ti ko dware pum na ye nkokunsa ye nkotwani odwan obi a obeka sa bia na ze opo odwan bi na awe ana se bibisa na opare nti ye mo ni nyina mu
yo doc my nurse na yemfa nc and I hope say mo officers no will still be on standby na I continue to monitor the situation meboa.
Yes, we are monitoring the situation on a daily basis. The district for no or how monitor our motion. I can't say hospital for any say anything be a follow the same trend and also no. You will be a friend of your dim system, your head dims and you na ya near but normally no it takes some be a warm country and them because we say normal but they are reporting it normally. The idea be the same disease, you know. I said the same area within a matter of 7 days and the past 16. Nafi you say a trigger ye surveillance system no. Insanity. The you be the chira bra you say and yet we be our normal BNC. But they were also about the say me no case ni na de wo bo no bi. They be a mechanic say ye mo apomodin ho dawuro. Na obi a hwe na apomodin apomodin any apomodin no. A first and foremost any responsibility. Afa na yen a ye adwuma wo apomodin so ye so no ya boa mo. Ye de mamo the scientific any support ni ade. But one also tiki apomodin as a responsible person no. Making sure say also wapomodin ye na yeso ye boa. Na bibisi so wa bantentem ya so anontem early detection prevention any management and the containment adia ye sebe ya ibisa and enko soro na ma obi won kire
yeah that's a doc bibia ne e besan so afre obi o
yo me se me masepa
great into Dr. Anthony Insia Asare a Director General of the Ghana Health Service and yetene kanenti Sisi ade ehuni suru no beba from kakra.
Beba from in such a say nipa no kosu
at least you say enye outbreak. Say the waka no. Say enye yare bi na ato atese a ekum nkofo. Wama ye hu no. Say nipa 16 na ewu no obi a cause of death eye sonko. Ebi de hypertension, ebi de moja mo so say no ane hypertension. Ana ene sarenti yare ni gu ahodo.
Ohu ne obi ni amani pa na bohu ye say obi a ne yaye na emum period na obi ewu no. I said time ba ko na obi a meme yaye hye me ho meme ye but akosoro nipa wu nipa wo tema man hia odoso but time no mu nyina wu bomu no na aba mu hu no say na nka bia afimu ni nyina na ebu nkonta se onipa ewu wo tema man hia na say a new town no mu doso na bia January say February say but say bosumi mu and 5 days within 5 days
10 days
10 days na nipa 16 na ewu ensi wo ho eno na abo nipa hu no ensi say ade say si wo ho no mo a enti minim so omo wi omo afamu de no na nanom so ka che say omo so guso ye omo de enti ye twen no so ne ahwe
se jo minim enti eba nsuo madware na esisi ade wo so omo jaye o
ye hwe na apomudin famu a me kan say abode nyansa pe famu a doctor na right woni age wo honhom sem susu di no wo mu gidi enti afutuo ne ebetimi di ama wo ena o se kromafo no say woni adware nsuo no ba kokra ni wa wo ena sebi sa honhom na ekum ni pe mfa ho no de owo BP emfa ho no de ono wonyem emfa ho ene de bibia ye no enti no se yeti wiase ye ne honhom eso na tie yemfa ho ne baabi ani bia kwakodro maye nbu na bofia se honhom nsam ntimi nsi duabo wo ho honhom ntimi ye adwuma honhom boni betimi aye sa de se no krasa ye kesa enti ye ka ni sei no wani a omusi ampa wo maben na wo munim de omo ye asofo ka ho adunsifo na omudi kan na omusoso ka ho akonfo no ka ho obi anya na famu de ye mpani se owuo no beba na kwan ye befa so a ye besi ano no obi ani ni gidie bible mu o se obi anfre ni nyame ebra nowa na hyen no esi nsuo so a obi anfre ni nyame ansa na ehun se ye friend say Yona ansa na eyi no top no enti no edu isabre a maka se wo a wo de ye gidie se honhom na betimi age wo nkwa no wo nkwa kura wo nso a gidi se de doctor na kanti wo ndware nsuo mu no ene na se na edu obi na abenu makọ obi na abenu no asase na wo no
na wo no so far nipa 16 in 10 days na ewu Dr. Chiremu enye bia baako in the two different communities but ni na Tema metropolis wa nipa 16
na cycle na kanesia nipa edoso kwa within these few days say nipa dudu ewu ase ebeye alarm and still
ya best friend nananom hu senra no mo ne ahemfo no a wonumu Tema new town nyina omo hwe Tema the whole Tema na mo ne omo di kan kase no
Paramount Tema Traditional Council
omo no ka se nipa no kura wa ma order ne se omo nwayi nsuo mu no omo recognize no omo nim ni say ba nipa yase omo de nipa na onda say omo ni awo no be ka say ye nua no eti say hwan na ma order o say hwan yo omo se omo wa ni omo di hu ade monko na munsi adwa no na ye nhwe ne ehu because obi eniema ba ku mienu bi koso won kran ya say ya ade ketua bi gisa hensem bam ade ketua bi gisa hensem bam na we ya banye we na ya hine bi say asem we kura de nka ne ahensie mfa ba bia o ya afi na we be che say nye we na ye we enye we na ye we omo nka mom na omo nya mi ehu
ya ko niema ho eko akonfo we na ye konfo we na no so ye ko
Yesu man kwa
ai we so ye ko ho chiche post
Shine Aqua aba homa no so enra o my report every Tema New Town and the yen konkotie ne the latest Shine yes what does you Tema New Town
Obi I are awesome Obi I are awesome and pay I is soon power New Town has maybe pay I will feel back kuma say back so I say ato that's an Nigeria only about all talking on say on to me I will had a Ebenezer house of course Bema oye chese Bema oye abanke kra na se to fa na han kwampo mu che ma nipa miensa eno mu wa we ne de fresh kra se wa nipa ba kumba ma en hwe se ye betumi ni mami edi nkom kakra na o nipa miensa na ewu ha
ba try almost stop paying we na ni to as me nu say we na nran so bakunusu otwaso miensa no nusu ewu
omunyina omo yare anaseten
sa yare bakuna
ai den yare
me kuma meyem enwa
omo wo ha mse na kuma ni yem na kuma
meyem enwa no enyo mbedu ya kwase ya David based hospital on ya ni omukoya kwa ni amu transfer paying the CM fan ko 37 na wie ya no we nsuja we ye fed say Temajero City ba ku ni dia oni di oje mu wo ha e wo Navy hospital on
awedi asem ka sepa na atu fi nti sia mo kwa ben na mo fa so abom ho ban mo bi se mo ahwe because yare ba kwa wo ka se eno a ene echi omu nyina yi den na mo yesisi a den na mo yesisi a
sisi anu atu ya dwendwen ti afi na ebetena se ni abobo ho ni ahwe se ni ya ye beye
nti omu nyina no na watwe mu a no omu nyina ewu ana
bi ba ku ewu ye ono Thursday ye twemu any 1 month pepe and as Thursday na ni otwasu mienu no odi film and na ni otwasu mienu film Thursday ya and then week and onu se wu enra Wednesday inti ni owu enra Wednesday no twaso aye nipa miensa
omuna ya mbema
there be oba ba ko ena mbema mienu
shine busane say omadi mfie say
amun fie ne titi sen amun
e ba fana ke party na fie nyi 42
yo owu enra no ne fie be sesen
azuma
Jimmy
na fie nyi
obi obumma me nankasa obetumi amaye mfie na ase ne mfie we nim kakra nti omunua baba akon anaka bikani ba akon na ne edi nkomo sisi a no hyeda eni mfie ne papa na wo hwem dia na ese omunyina mfie no wo be 30 ediko 40 mu ho no
me ba to busa omo se nipa miensa na ewu no na omo health conditions bi dada anase we putuprum na meyem miti eno omo di ewu
debi obi ani esa tibiano
ye ni yawe bia
dabi
makoma meyem na
and say omo start complaining makoma meyem a edi na be say ansa no omo fim
ania otosu we miensa no ni odi kan no ono no okay sada na ye no na sada no and ni ko hospital no mo say condition mu ye dinti enfa no ko 37 no 5 days pen o jam na we ni de ndo to asumi no oni de complaining me fa ni say nra na de chien de endo wiye na ni oto asumi ensa na owu enra ni de nra na no kan say ni yemu ana ni yem ni na kuma na no di wiye no
me ba to hospitals be na mode omoko
mpacho Temahan Navy Base Hospital hono mo hwe ni papa nti se bibisa na he oni edishi ni akọ hono
mabusua ni mu no en se omunyina ya busuafo ba ko ho
amunyina ya na ba ko eja ba
na ba ko ma ena eja ba ko wow na mone ebusuafo fro bi anya asem bi e wo ho
me pa cho de bi o eni ebusua bi eni asem eni na enu adon ye de ti has
na mudru hospitals na megidi say before omuwu a hospital ni mo muhu yare kro omo ma muhu yi say yare be
omo ni ne ko ye no omo ntimi emisa because then ya de ni si ye na yo bia ekumetu nti obi ntimi emisa hu bibia no omo ni omo ko ye so omo aye ni pe bia se bi otafrache omo ni muhu memu omo adwen mo do metimi ebi se bibia fa hu.
And after that, no mon so a madwin mu do kakra mon ko ho nko busai on.
Me pa cho de bi o.
Adentia.
Ya ma dia mbaso.
Na yesi mon ko dware nsuo mu no wa dware bi.
Me pato yen na ya kudwale.
Di owu enra no odware bi.
Ono satam no kopo. Omo de oni de oye fisherman ti puso satam no mo kontenu ame hu so kudwale anase wan kudwale. Azima nye e adu sheku. Mpate so kudwale bi.
Odware bi na still ono nso awi.
Ayo, eja.
Asemu. Yo we dey yemamo yakọ why?
Yo.
Yemamo yakọ papa. Indi omu nyina sisi a ewo omu of fridge mu ana se two na ewu ye no masie won.
Ni odi kan wu ye no no yesie no na two ni de ba ko she fridge na we de anopa we no mbe kwa akohwe sene a. Ombesi ebeye a edi ni be shim.
Ena omu me ensa nyina omu maame ni omu papa te ase.
Mpacho ai.
Omu maame ni omu papa mu anuanum ni nyina ayesen.
Ne papa ebusia no.
No me ka emaya miensa ewi na omu nyina ayesen.
Omu nyina omu yedu.
Nti aka 7 oh.
Enso 7 ne bi mu edi kan efi mu dada.
Nti zi a mana ka sen.
Esi amba no be ehwa me yenyu numu. Ekpa aka omu.
JMFM.
Aka nsia.
Mpacho.
It is a 4 na 3 we akoka 1 ne wa ma 4.
Mpacho.
And aka 6. Okay. Yo, yate in the farmer yen reporter ne ne nkasa why.
Obi.
Shine.
Obi, the thing is never base no kan no clinic back wa hanom bibie ni a ehwa na omodeko ne e na before na mo ha no ehwa na wo no nti bibie ni a ehwa na tete omodeko mso hwa no mu na no omokwa na ya refer omo eko general hospital ni hospital akese na wo around no na yakosho mo na obi de santete ni say yesi akwa ba konso kan yesi shafo no so edeko na no details no afi na ye jimi ye na ahwe de ba ya no so ensio no fa no say directive na ba so mo ko dware ensio no say no ko dware na ensio na fa no so no na ko ampuna na ensio na fa no ensio na fa na oyi ne ba ya no na afi de akwa na ewu nti obi ye de etu ye hwe de ko no ma no pe de mintumi anope de poni dware no aba form say de no ana nkrofo ko dware na ade no aba form ne sa nti yehwe de ebeko yehwe de ekoso anop e woni ta ha na ma reho ne de edaso wo mpa obi
shine say meba minim Tema New Town say meba Tema New Town na standard of living generally at saying cha infonyi train how is the community like
yo obi ha ne de akwai fishing community into fishing community opa habon na so we town ni mu dia apart from adan dada na wa ha ne fufun kaka isisi no nkwafa bobo entabo wa hwehwehwe inside awudum abonko abrewanko any ntwaso honum na honum nkwafu bebe abobo entabo hwehwehwe bebi ame wo sisi ano efie na nka se block dan na mo ansase kaka nka de da ho nti na bonso ma bobo entabo dan kaka nka na no so hwehwem aha de sanitation so issue kese pa wa ha se ayadia eno so ha mo pa honidie ha adwen wa haye pa obi ahonidie ha adwen wa haye pa bebi ame we krampo kwan a efa so de ba won sensio obi ahonidie ayasem kese wa ha pa
and your typical community enye baby abeba be hu say amanfo ko check up or hospital or ko hwe say de o mapo mu sitie ene sa neoma no that culture ni ho mebo
obi won say enjumanjuma say enjumanjuma wa hintin ko fo so titi ha mo ye elita or omo so ehwe omo ampo mu dem na mum omo hihye say de make no slap in tabo dan na wo mu no I don't know, yeah, but a typical community, a typical local community, I want to say, and young to me, found to two communities, I want to also be a conscious or crochet, Napomudin, and I say, or crochet, say, no Hunamuti, and I say, said, Obi will be a honey, typical local community, and so far, Nipa 16, no, plus the Wawu and Ray, and we can say, Nipa bear 17. Omunina no bi ba kun se uba no de omu trese onu de oya brewa kra on the almost ya be wakra and obi said me mu a ebi mu ka yese baby a no de omo record there because e pie ba me ba ko so ana ye ni di nkomo na nkomo am na me ni di no say ba ku die wa habo no on person be ka ho asem so no de on person be ka ho asem
and for all those sa ewuo ni nyina no sign say o hwa omu nyina be free a fear in those local communities no meboa
but I will be
okay
omina of your local communities.
Sa local communities, no, okay. My nasi bibi ni ebe sign so about hobio. Why? Indeed, we just wanted to establish say linkage between standard of living, nipano, asitnemu, unhia, anyhow, omusi e cheke won because ohia dokrowa the likelihood say ubenya yare nkiti bi ne cholera ne malaria ne sanomaniamano na high enti we just wanted to establish that and from the work and way a very poor community local community among for and odie no ehwe de doc nso be ka kire yan na cause of death aso for mohuno hypertension ne o say obi kwa your painful a okwa you know and this annual man by we na antenatal near the be niska or the beko you know nti e linkages bebre
nanka near doctor ka so muhia no e bi na abai o se nanka ompese o muhu se bi a abusua ba akumu ana se fie ba akumu na nipa 16 ni nyina ewu but oman say different way efie baako abusua baako na baako na eja baako nipa miensa firi mu nti megidi say we be ya one good example
important baby to say choba ho na obi adidie nti say wo hwa say be fie baako man say na wo hu say asem no mu odin a etimi ba say baby baako bi a ye no aduane ehon na problem no community eti say no be our joint sanitation what your problem your joint baby a no aduane your baby a enkrofo ho na omkokoja wo mo nan bi kura na enhye da enye proper toilet ho na problem no wo your baby omkokwa tena dam enuase kwankwan enuase ebetimi aba say baby bi a wo mu hia e no omko contract sa infection and say whatever it is ema sa wo no ba nti enfree fie ba ko mu nkire say enye si ba unso omo no omo de research na ye adwuma omo de research na ye adwuma when it comes to disease and control the prevention in a year or my year so watumi a che say hypertension ka ho we ka ho nti omo no ne ekito omo nie but from nearby no na say ntumi nka say nya hwe so nti e was omo toa bibi
many member of parliament for the area in Nkomo MP for Tema East the Honorable Daniel Ni Kwate Titus Glover Honorable Akwaba DWASO NSEM so nie yama bibi aboko de
you are doomed on the play. But I say, you know, we want to say,
Yamia Dumobia, Ubia Hoyapa. Now, Mijidisa, from where you sit, member of parliament, where should be terrible news for you? What me to an amount alcohol and what can you tell us? I don't know bit my catching.
But that's it. The tennis, I'm saying, and I'm brief interview with Adom and none of parliament and Efia Efremidimidi and Komokakra and a player Mino Kase with free traditional council and Mako a Jumana more fremi. Traditional council no Asia the whole Nura and a pay Omugusu Asian. We know say they don't know the exact cause of these deaths. If you say spiritual, if you say health, na make say a coincidental death. Ebiesi wa wudum, ebiesi ewa shaman, any Miami, any other places. But what it is some even with medical cases. What I say? Na the America, na I don't have a reporter no air case. Yem proper sorry demo. Yem ko jaro pumuno. It is not an official position of a Traditional Council. Say It is not an official position issue
but the reporter didn't say that. Your kind of say chief priest or why anything come so is suman kwa hene on the mass directives no.
Chief priest no only a friend above watching. Say ye be decision say ya. Traditional council a trust. And so no issues na. That is not the official position of the traditional council. That is his individual decision what taking. What does it?
Yes.
And the pay a share or info no. The chief priestesses, Satmo Wulomo, Nayo Wulomo, Afena, 1% one could be same. So the question one year from any of the deities are, then they look at how they can do spiritually. But as a man, they don't know exact reasons for the cause of these deaths.
And in those meetings, no, na Ghana House Service in Penny for Kahon.
David, with the purely traditional affairs.
Okay.
Purely traditional affairs. Because I heard before no on the research the Yejuma. Say Bushiamba couldn't put menu mensa a war. I will say Tracy the root cause. And so Bushiano Yari Potibi Wumwa Eta Hase Buswana Wusanwana. They have to find out. There was one diagnosed lab Nadia Dena. Then she said, Yari Potem there was a Bushanwa. And must say, would not dear by. And for now, Metumaka say, Yanya Wabutre. The Manchamama assurance, and they said, we'll be holding a press conference anytime soon to assure the nation, say, their air cono, ye shop on one Bafaswa, Yabaswano, say, the spiritual, say, health wise. Say, Ubatama Nuta, I have to kakra. Almost every other week, we are clean up. Say, Mentemono. Say you to know any information assembly no eboa say maintain your no ehobeke ediama kronina. This is a typical fishing community. Industry workers any paying for individual jobs na de nyina eton. And the memo assurance they say there's no cause for alarm. We are liaising with the head authorities and the traditional authorities say the finality to the solution of this problem.
I'm only hoping, sir, families na Saudi would accept assurances. They say no cause for alarm because I don't pay any back wedding. Come on, just enraya or money pa back ewe. Yene Director General Ghana Health Service Kasai and Sana yene obabe Kasaima. Also tried to allay our fears. Eka say a purely health related because reporter Omanya from Tema General Hospital, any other hospitals, no obia cause of death. Ewo nipa 16 nina in 2 different areas. Ebi dia hypertension, ebi dia kwakwo enomuwe and all of that. Minim say wetimi any omwedi nkomo ama so ama any reporter.
Homes na ewo nesisi no menya enya details. Not to make home now, so maybe after close of work and then now mini DG health service by doing says something to do with about delivery of birth, hypertension. Sabi. Yen checki your health status. MP a woman na me de bi abafom. Nan saying homo what time no me de bi back play jo baby ya bob menchiano. I better check your health. So we are
Jim FM.
No, I am tired Eddie Mayana. So one more blood pressure to be check it. Blood pressure, BP idea, a pumpa. I am checking. There's no been a man or both from who if you are not the pressure by Costo. And the Bezabin Facunia was no minimum for Yana Ekasa. Say you want for head center who head center never be sick bay as well. You can just walk in. At least you can check your BP. It's free. What does it? Not ever boasenia. Yabi air coswa. Yabet mabwa. Say advice bo more. Maybe a mile. Now was one in road do. Now but let me not find out. Maybe a woman feel 1 or 2 no. Na makosrao.
From all these years, what now? Because I would want to believe say Wunyi in that area. A SIDA say in 10 days, yet me are recording over 16 deaths.
52 years ago, you wore me. Me nyanti bibi said that. and the Sabani say Edika. Jim FM. I was saying interrogate in 70 years, Papa. Now, 10 days within an area, you call hospital honor. Head to hospital for no every time I no drew. Send a data general, catch and say, it be will be an alcohol, will be the a blood pressure or whatever, hypertension. Now they're doing yet remove the cause of the death. Now say individual check your head status every boy because some you walk over walk you jumakaka wako di upa na wabe fie uwa harapa what of a obi chassis esisi meme bebre 10 different people. And was here bishop was a dear Emma dear. For me, I don't want to go by the spiritual angle. I want us to tackle it from the earth angle. The NBC who say a dear enemy never will say na ebano. Na my hunya in what I think fake maybe the me who said that. And that banazano, then you number 2. Na many traditional council no assembly no any omo makani no. Na
and while at that, around this table, say maybe I was set because yani ebusuya bakwedi nkomo within the last 1 month omuni pa miensa na ewu. Interestingly, omu nyina nso complaining about makoma meyem ena omu ewu. Into maybe I was say my health officials broaden the scope of omu investigations and not to rely only on hospital reports and identity. Uni all din komo raise your non so my
obi ni nyina esiwa eni na me chiremu achiro se Jim FM health checks no eyayen unam nipa ne yazi no ye the next few minutes yesi wegu ye need ntia ama ade we nyina esisi enti eno ane se ye ni bebre na ya major health checks measure kwa mefaso na ya ma head for na bakromo na ya major health checks obia omumenya kwa no mutumi bra ni yemtumi musa kwa befaso a yebetumi asoso sense we ni ano.
Member of Parliament for Tema East constituency Daniel Ni Quartet Titus Glover. Yeah, that's the pay. Great. Also, you're Deputy Transport Minister, and Edi and Komo. DWASO NSEM wa Adom 106.3. Meaning your say bonsu, ABY Ewaha, or Hima Setua, and so Ewaha. Enti young papers name.
You can't show more on this. Oko Jarin Sum, no free her. Na ko hospital so ye mienu no nyina kan mienu no bom nam dodo ansem kwan ne den ne mane yo to de ye mienu no nyina ko hwe wapomoden se bia yare bi wom anasa wiye na nsu as na de nyame de ama no hwe na se wo ye kristoni a wo nware nsu mu ene na nkotodwe ene asase aben se wo ko bompa ye na tamaso nso na akese oho abofo nyina otama na fe ye den as 20
ko fabra
yante hwifiri wo mu ho
abushafo enkwada ubo no emu angel nyanyi nkyere obi anti ko ano paado the daily graphic an ye de ebehya na ene daily graphic ye de omanim ohwani anopa ya yefa tamamanhiane tamanewtown asemo akoso emu de a na chese daily graphic kura de o chese nipa nkono eso nne ye yate na chese asemo kura de o de yemfa nto hanse no an yaken na wo bakrata fa du ensia ewo graphic mu a woni atuo hyehye wo ho ewo mayi mu wo aban hyehye yemu no se onipa kro etuo sabode bo ho ban yo sabode ye dan yo se tuo hye ho nko ade a ebra no wo se ukọ na renew licenses a ye de ama wo no yesi nipa 1.1 million ena tuo nketo ahye wo ho Ghana ase ya omo renew licenses no omaje licenses die o na emomo mo renew omo nya hwe 1.1 million and a true shesha omo ho ache se wo munye omadwen se ye kwa renew licenses na na se ye koye bibi akire se etu ekita ye no emra ema ho kwan enra no mayi mpanimfo yo ne se bo onum agigi tuo e wo mayi mahesha amanfo ho etu maako a wo onum agigi bebre 2700 etu omo kwhye no na ne hyienum na soafo ye ohwe omeye fi sembambo so ambuze de betu dwa se nipa register tuo ewo mayi mu no wasenka wonum ye 1.2 million nipa 1.2 million say nipa 1.2 million no dodo no a muda omunya gi tuo no registration ni bi o man kwaye ho hwe bi o negu omo ho kakra bi na omukọ renew to wasempanifo beti agum na nipa kra be chew na tuo hye ho na register ye de a ene na edi eni ene be ye wo
homesoma mesetua na ye nane ye ho emra tew ye ba papers na aka no ye de toaso o messages then so bomoden say o de ebebre na ye nkan emamo 11 minutes after 8 DWASO NSEM so ne ye ba sisia.
Africa is gold for the biggest music event in Africa. 5th All Africa Music Awards, Afrimon.